So I've noticed that people seem to have kind of conflate this idea of intelligence with knowledge. Because I've heard this argument before that if you take someone from the city and you put them in the jungle, they're not going to survive. They don't have the same intelligence as someone that lives in the jungle. I don't think that fucking makes any sense. Because that just means you have a knowledge base that no longer works for this area. Your intelligence and your ability to recognize patterns, to be able to predict patterns and adapt, stays the same either way. A person that's extremely intelligent, that lives in the jungle their whole life, would be able to quickly figure out how to survive in the city, and vice versa. That's what intelligence is. But I've noticed people conflate the idea that knowledge is what makes people intelligent. I know a lot of people that have tons of knowledge, and they are idiots. They can't figure out anything on their own. You have to spoon feed it to them. But once they're spoon fed, they can remember that.